Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 5, Lesson 6, A Stormy Adventure, written by Nita Berry. What do you mean by a storm? It is a cyclone which is formed with heavy winds there in the sea. When there are heavy winds due to a cyclonic depression, there occurs storms in the sea. On a stormy day, a boy did a great adventure. Adventure means what? What is the meaning of adventure? A brave act, a courageous act. What adventure did he do? What is an adventure? Do you like to do adventurous things? Generally, sometimes some people do adventurous things like mounting, climbing the mountains, trekking, jumping into the river from a high altitude. These are all adventurous things. Or standing in the middle of the water and taking the selfies. These are the adventurous things. What kind of activities do you think are called adventures? All these come under adventures only that we talked about now. Suppose you want to save yourself or all others if you have a chance to do so. Suppose you are in a big train or a bus or a ship or something like that. When you have an idea about how to save that particular vehicle from danger, if you know that how to escape from the danger, do you help the people, other people also, or do you want to save yourself only and leave all others and let them die? Let us see what this boy in this story by name Vishal, a boy by name Vishal made a great adventure there during a storm which caught their ship in the middle of the sea, and how his idea helped the ship from danger is discussed here. The MV Trishna gave a gentle lurch. Lurch means what? Push, jerk. MV Trishna is the name of the ship, a steamer. Not seasick again, exclaimed Vishal, looking at his younger sister Rohini in deep disgust as she groaned and held her stomach. Oh, Vishal, on seeing at his younger sister Rohini, she was in deep disgust, she was in deep pain, she was groaning and held her stomach like this. And this boy Vishal understood and exclaimed that, my dear sister, you are seasick again, not again. Not seasick again? Means that girl was always seasick. Whenever they went into the sea, particularly that girl, she feels like that, a kind of disgust, a kind of pain in her stomach. Can't imagine why you came along at all. I can't understand, my sister. Why do you come with us? Can't imagine. We all know that you are seasick. You automatically become sick when you enter the sea. Can't imagine why you came along at all. Why you came with us, along with us? You surely didn't think it would be smooth sailing all the time. Of course, you surely, my dear sister, didn't think that it would not be smooth sailing all the time. Every time it will not be smooth sailing, smooth journey in a sea, on a ship. Rohini only made an inarticulate sound and disappeared under the bedclothes. Inarticulate means what? Unable to speak distinctly or clearly. Rohini only made an inarticulate sound, means an unclear sound she made, and immediately covered herself with the bedclothes. Means she disappeared under the bedclothes means what? She covered herself with the blanket. Vishal shook his head in exasperation like this. Irritation. Exasperation means irritation. He was irritated with his sister's becoming sick the moment the ship entered the seas. Vishal shook his head in exasperation and turned to look at the calendar. 2 days more to go before they touched land. And he looked at the calendar there on the ship. And still it was 2 days before they reached the land. I might as well see what Papa is doing up on the bridge. And this boy thought, what? Papa? Papa means father. Okay, let me go and see what Papa is doing there up on the bridge. Bridge means what? The uppermost part of the ship's accommodation from where it is navigated. Uppermost part of the ship's accommodation. From where generally it is navigated, it is given the direction, the ship is given the directions by the driver, by the captain. That is what is called the bridge. So he went up onto the bridge to see what his father was doing. The Trishna was on her way to the Philippines. Philippines is an island nation in our Asian continent only. The ship was on her way to the Philippines. Why? The ship was carrying a special cargo of food for the people of the small islands in the South China Sea, which had been struck by a devastating typhoon a few days earlier. What was the ship carrying there? A special cargo of food. Means a special luggage. Cargo means luggage. A special cargo of food for the people of the small islands in the South China Sea. Some small islands were there in South China Sea. All those people were affected because of a devastating typhoon. Those islands had been struck or had been affected by a devastating, means very destructive, crushingly effective, destructive typhoon, a tropical storm in the Western Pacific Ocean. Just a few days earlier only, those islands in South China Sea had been battered, had been struck by a devastating typhoon. This had swept inland, leaving a violent trail of destruction. Not only that, this particular storm had swept inland, means the water, the islands were completely submerged under water now, leaving a violent trail of destruction. Everywhere there was destruction only. A violent trail, a violent path of destruction was caused throughout the islands in the South China Sea, including the Philippines. Vishal and Rohini had decided to accompany their father, Captain Kumar, this summer, although their mother was staying behind as Granny was unwell. Vishal and Rohini, brother and sister, they had decided to accompany, means follow their father, Captain Kumar. He was the captain of the ship, MV Trishna. What is the name of the ship, children? MV Trishna. First line itself, it is given there in the first page of the lesson. So Vishal and Rohini accompanied their father on a sea voyage this summer, although their mother was staying behind. Of course, their mother did not come along with them because the granny, the grandmother of these two children, was unwell, was suffering from some illness. The children had enjoyed the sea passage with video movies and books on board. How did the children enjoy the sea passage? Passage means here journey. How did they enjoy the journey there on the sea? Watching the video movies and of course reading books on board. On board means on the ship. But now the sea looked choppy and Rohini felt rather seasick. But now the sea looked somewhat rough. Choppy means fairly rough. That means sea was rough means what? There was going to be a storm. There was going to be a storm brewing there in the sea. So that made, that rough sea made Rohini felt rather seasick. She completely became sick now because of the weather in the sea. Vishal climbed the ladder a little unsteadily as the ship gave an unexpected roll. Suddenly what happened? The ship gave an unexpected roll. Means like this, as if it turned over a circle like that. Unexpectedly it gave a roll. Getting your sea legs, laddie. When the ship gave an unexpected roll, Vishal was not able to climb the ladder more steadily. He was a little unsteadily, he was able to get onto the ladder and reach his father. Getting your sea legs, laddie, grinned the chief officer. Grinned means what? Smiled broadly. The chief officer saw this boy. So, my dear boy, you are getting sea legs. Your sister is seasick, and you have sea legs now because you are unable to climb the ladder steadily. Laddie means what? Lad, young boy, who was coming down. The chief officer was coming down. This boy was going up the stairs. You are quite a seaman really with that rolling gait. We shall try to look modest. And of course, the chief officer continued to make some comment about him. You are quite a seaman really. You appear to be really a seaman. My dear boy, with that rolling gait means what? Manner of walking. Gait means what? A manner of walking. The way you are walking there like this, you appear to be really a seaman only. Means the people who really work on the ship, on the deck when the sea is caught in a storm. But we shall try to look modest. He did not react. He did not care for those words. He did not take them seriously. Outside the stuffy accommodation, stuffy means what? There was no lack of fresh air or ventilation there. Outside the stuffy accommodation, inside it was very, very, what is called sultry. It was lacking fresh air. There was no fresh air coming there inside, or no ventilation at all. But outside, the sea air was fresh and wet. When they went out of that, the sea air, the breeze was very fresh and wet. Vishal took a deep breath. Like this, he took a deep breath. There was a spray of water on the deck as he crossed his way gingerly towards his father in the wheelhouse. Gingerly means carefully. Suddenly what happened when this boy crossed his way gingerly towards his father's cabin in the wheelhouse? What happened then? There was a spray of water on the deck. Means water jumped there from the sea and spread onto the deck of the ship. What is the meaning of deck? The side part of a ship on which people generally stand and look into the sea. So the water splashed onto the deck. As this boy crossed slowly his way very carefully towards his father in the wheelhouse. Wheelhouse means where the wheel of navigation is located, where Captain Kumar, his father, was sitting and giving directions for the ship's movement. That is what is called wheelhouse. Captain Kumar, that is also called a cabin in our other words. Captain Kumar had a worried look on his face. Now when he went inside the wheelhouse, the boy looked at Captain Kumar. He had a worried look on his face. Means his father was looking worried now. Why? He was staring restlessly at the barometer which had fallen steeply. What's a barometer? It's an instrument measuring atmospheric pressure in the sea. Barometer is an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. This Captain Kumar was staring, means looking with eyes wide open, restlessly, impatiently, anxiously at the barometer, which had fallen steeply. That means atmospheric pressure had reduced completely, had gone down steeply. He looked up at Vishal. Now he saw his son Vishal standing there. Well, it looks like we are in for rough weather soon. He told his son, my dear Vishal, well, it looks like we are going to be in a rough weather very soon. Means we are going to get caught in rough weather, rough seas. It's a typhoon time in these parts, you know. See, my dear son, this is a typhoon time. Typhoon is a storm, a tropical storm in the Western Pacific Ocean that occur there in the Western Pacific Ocean. It is called a typhoon. So generally in these parts, in these times, it is typhoon time. Frequently typhoons occur here, you know. something is brewing. Means something is going to happen. What is going to happen? It's not clear, but something is brewing. He tugged at his beard thoughtfully, like this. He tugged at his beard. Like this he was saying, thoughtfully. Sparks, the radio officer, rushed towards the captain with a sheet of paper. Weather report from Manila. Sir? Sparks. Sparks is the name of the radio officer. He rushed towards the captain, means Captain Kumar, with a sheet of paper. There was a sheet of paper in his hands, and he told, Sir, this is a weather report from Manila. What is Manila? Manila is the capital city of the Philippines. Philippines we talked about in the first paragraphs of the lesson. They were going to the Philippines only. The capital city of Philippines islands is Manila. So the weather report came from Manila, sir. And after reading through that report, Captain Kumar said he was very much depressed. Like that he said. Just what I suspected. Yes, he was earlier telling his son that something was brewing there. Something was going to happen. Now it proved to be correct because the weather report also gave the same information. Typhoon Elsie is deepening in the Pacific Ocean and moving slowly in northwesterly direction. What is that report there written? Typhoon Elsie. That is the name of the typhoon. Typhoon Elsie is deepening. Means is becoming more and more intense in the Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean of all, and moving slowly in northwesterly direction. At its present speed, means if it moves, this storm moves at its present speed, it will pass 70 miles away from us within 24 hours. That means within 24 hours, it will pass. That means the typhoon Elsie will pass 70 miles away from us, very close to us. Too close for my liking. Of course, it's very close. That may sink our ship also. He shook his head grimly, very disappointedly, sadly. He shook his head. Oh, there's going to be a danger now. It's important to reach Mindanao by Monday with our food stocks. They are going to Mindanao city, and it is important to reach Mindanao by Monday with our food stocks. Otherwise, all those food stocks will be spoiled once the ship gets upside down there in the sea when it sinks there. The people are starving already there. The people are waiting for food. Those in that Mindanao island. And already they are suffering from hunger. They are starving. Starving means suffering from hunger. He reached out urgently for the phone. Immediately he reached out. He dashed towards the phone. Secure everything on deck. Lash the cargo. He was shouting instructions there on the phone. Secure everything on deck. Be very careful. Keep everything on the deck in a safe place. Lash the cargo. Means cover the cargo with. Lash the cargo. Cover the cargo. Otherwise that food supplies will get damaged, will get spoiled. So the remaining part of the story, children, will be taking up in the next class. Thank you.